To create a task in the web app, go to the Schedule page. You can quickly create a task by clicking on an open space in the calendar. From there, you can either create the task directly or open the full task creation form by clicking Open Full Form. To open the full task creation form immediately, click the Add Task button. Enter the task name, select its priority, and choose a location. Set the start and end times for the task. If needed, you can add a description for the task. You can also specify if the task is deadlined, lasting more than 24 hours, set its recurrence, and choose the end date for the repetition. Next, you can add steps to the task and link points to these steps. For more details on what points are and how to create them, check out the separate video linked in the description. You can also attach checklists to the steps or create and add actions. Each action has individual settings, such as whether the action is mandatory or a range for actions of the number type. Click Save. The task is now created and ready to be completed through the mobile app. Next, you need to publish the tasks by clicking the Publish button. You can also create tasks through the mobile app. Go to the Tasks, All Tasks tab and click the Add Task button. Then, just like before, enter the task information, assign it to someone, and add steps. Save and publish the task. Enjoy using the app.